Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel Network Duck, and today we're going to talk about the Unifi AIRFiber and the AIRFiber long range specifically. So yeah, that's the dashboard of the Unifi AIRFiber long range 60. Here's the name. And yeah, basically that's what you see if the antennas are aligned to each other. And yeah, this is the local signal and the remote signal, and the total capacity, the link potential, and the total capacity as it is here, and the total throughput for the moment or at the moment. Yeah, so here we got the memory usage, the CPU usage, and the memory usage and CPU usage of the other device, the GPS, yeah, and height of the building and location. So I will censor this location because I don't want you to see where I'm at, so my location basically. And yeah, you could click at map and you'll see where your AIRFibers are. Yeah, the height difference of the AIRFibers, and the potential. So here you can see rainfall and humidity and the link potential. So at first I want to say I have the AIRFiber long range at a distance at about 200 meters, so not that not that long distance. I guess the AIRFiber could do about 10 kilometers, what I've seen on some videos. But yeah, I chose the long range because why not? I chose the long range because I thought it would be better on bad weather, but as you can see, it doesn't really matter. So yeah, 97% link potential, and yeah, it just works pretty well. And yeah, I really love this. Yeah. Here's basically the the Wi-Fi name and the security key for the Wi-Fi. Technically, stick a switch to it and it would work technically, but yeah. These are the settings you could change. On the frequency, I just leave it on auto. And yeah, this is what Call of Duty started an update. Great. The Wi-Fi and the security key must be the same on this AIRFiber as well as on this AIRFiber. Otherwise they won't be able to speak to each other. And yeah, so this name and the name of this AIRFiber must be the same, and as well as the security key. Yeah, network management VLAN, you could also add a management VLAN. If you want static IP, Slack or local, I just turn it off because I have another router behind this AIRFiber. Basically what it does is it works like a switch that's wireless. So it just takes this network and puts it, or it shoots it to this AIRFiber, and this AIRFiber also has a IP, so also a dashboard, and if you connect the switch to it, it will just work, and the router is on this side. So a request from this device would go here to the router and to the internet and back, but my layout is internet, router, first AIRFiber, second AIRFiber, router. So the one IP address is the local IP address from the network. So basically my router IP is 10.0.100.2. So the main router is this one, and the second router here would be the .2, and the one would be this address. So my main router here, and behind this IP address here, behind this router, there would be the internet, so to say. So basically it's just a device in a VLAN of this router here, and it makes the networks are not connected, so only this network, and behind this router are multiple other VLANs with different IPs. So the routers can only communicate over this network, and so this router can't access these networks or VLANs behind this router, and this router can't access these networks behind here, of course. That's basically how it works. I use it as a bridge, as I said. I just left these settings from the MTU because they are best for my use case, so to say. Here you can or could set up a few other things. I didn't play around with it that much, but just play around with it, and a new firmware update is available. I will download this after the video. So you can enter the name, the language, reboot, just change the password or the username, and on tools you can click on and get this window. You can also start a speed test, or basically that's for the alignment. Here you can see the frequency, so 61.56 gigahertz, and it changes automatically, as I said before. So let's start a speed test and see what it can throughput in the praxis test. Total throughput 1900 Mbit. Up and download at the same time. So receiving is about 900 950, 60, yeah, something like that. And transfer is about 920 to 930 Mbit. So yeah, just enough, so to say, for the internet speed. I also use it for backup, so 700 Mbit backup is enough for me. And yeah, technically you could also mount 2 of these AIRFibers, so if one won't work, or yeah, the other one would take over and yes, stop the speed test, because the whole bandwidth is used while the speed test is running. And yes, here also you see the Cloud Gateway Fiber, which is the router on this side here, and the second AIRFiber it is talking to on this side here. So yeah, you also have a ping test, package count, let's say 100, package size, leave it here, and ping from this AIRFiber to this AIRFiber. So see how long it takes to send packages of size 56 from this to this and back. Let's see, average is about 0.8 milliseconds, min is 0.6 and max is 4.9 milliseconds, which is enough, I'd say. So if you enter 500, it of course will be more realistic to what it is, but as you see, it's pretty stable. Sometimes of course there are higher latencies, but on the average it's about 0.8 milliseconds, I'd say. And yeah, I just love it. I don't know what to say. Also the speed test you could also receive. So without duplex, only receiving, it's about 1.1 gigabit speed on these two, or between these two, so from this to this. And you could also transmit, but I think it would be almost the same. Okay, it's a bit more, 1.2 gigabit transmit. So yeah, I'd say for home usage, easy enough, so perfect for home use. And I also love it because it's so easy to use and I never got problems with it. So basically I just use it, and about half a year or a year now, and also in the winter time when it snows and snow stays on the AIRFiber, that doesn't matter. So yeah, it just throughputs all the data it gets, so it just works. And yeah, got no problem with it since half a year now, about half a year or a year. And yeah, I really can recommend the Unifi AIRFiber 60 long range, and yeah, would be great to see abo from your side. It doesn't cost anything, and also a like would be great. I'd love to see that. Also comment if you got something to say. I would really enjoy it and love it. And so at this point, I'd say thank you for listening and joining, and I hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.